No matter how beautiful your jewelry piece is, it won't matter if it can't stand up to everyday wear. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and today I'm going to be sharing some practical techniques that'll help your finished jewelry be stronger, last longer, and more wearable.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Number 1, start strong with durable materials. Durability begins long before you even pick up your tools. So when you're using findings, use non-plated metals like sterling silver, gold-filled stainless steel, brass, or copper whenever possible. They really do make a difference. When it comes to stones, save softer or brittle materials for low-impact designs, and opt for sturdier options like turquoise, quartz, agate, or jasper in areas that will get the most movement. Number 2, reinforce high-stress areas. Most jewelry usually doesn't fail in the middle. They break at their connections. Strengthen these points by using double loops instead of simple loops. Add AccuGuards anywhere stringing meets a clasp, and protect your crimps with crimp covers to prevent fraying and wearing over time. Number 3, matching the stringing material to the design. Using the wrong stringing material is one of the fastest ways to shorten the lifespan of a piece. For necklaces and bracelets, go with a high-quality 49-strand beading wire. For bead weaving or seed bead designs, use fireline or braided thread. Stretch cord works best for lightweight to mid-weight beads. Anything heavier needs a more stable option. Number 4, secure knots and ends like a pro. Finishing techniques can either make or break your design, literally. Use secure knots such as surgeon knots or square knots, and reinforce hidden knots with a tiny drop of GS Hypo, cement, or E6000. Always tuck thread ends through several beads before trimming so nothing works loose over time. Number 5, use proper metalwork techniques. Clean, well-executed metalwork adds both polish and strength. Gently work hardened wire using a nylon or rawhide mallet. Be careful not to overwork the wire, as too much bending can cause metal fatigue and lead to breakage. Number 6, protect surface finishes. Using clear microcrystalline wax in a thin layer will help preserve your stamped metal designs or images in your metalwork. It's also safe for most other jewelry making materials, but be sure to check the manufacturer's label to be sure. Number 7, test before wearing or selling. A quick stress test now can prevent repairs later. Gently tug on clasps and connection points, flex woven sections to check for even tension, and scan the piece for sharp edges that could cut thread or skin. Number 8, design with wear in mind. Trendy doesn't have to mean fragile. Heavy statement pieces and long dangles are back in, but you can still design them to last. For long earrings and bold elements, reinforce your connection points. Use strong findings and consider supporting elements by doubling your jump ring connections so your dramatic designs stay secure and wearable. Number 9, care instructions. Even the most durable jewelry needs a little care. When cleaning, it's generally best to use a soft bristle brush and warm soapy water. But always do your research to find the best method for your jewelry piece. By choosing the right materials, reinforcing stress points, and finishing with intention, your jewelry piece can not only be beautiful, but built to last. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video very helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also check out our other jewelry tutorial videos. Until next time, we'll see you soon.